Hello Akriti ma'am.
Hello ma'am.
Everybody, welcome back to Kangaroo Kids LDA Lucknow. So today we are making a Rafale aircraft. Okay, for the 74th Independence Day, this is the pride of India. So shall we start? Okay, so let's start making our aircraft. Okay ma'am, so what do we need for this? We need a big cone made out of a pastel sheet, which is around 30 centimeters. Okay, once you make that cone, then you need a rectangular piece which you will turn it up, which is around 10 centimeters long and 15 centimeters wide.
And small rolls.
Now we need small rolls, which again are cut into from rectangles of 8 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Okay, and here we need wings. These are the wings of the Rafale. Okay, and for this you will cut into a triangle which is 9 centimeters at the base and it has sides of 8.5, which you will again trim it on the side. Yes, this way, correct. Okay, we need 3 of these wings. 3 wings. Okay, and the next thing you need is a triangle cut with a base circular and the center point is around 21 centimeters long from the center. Okay, and we need a big circle. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, so here we have already made the cone and rolled up the small pieces. So ma'am is going to show us what is the first step to start making the Rafale, which is a fighter aircraft. Okay ma'am, we take the cone
and stick.
Yeah, and stick it to the center part of the circular triangle surface. Okay, अच्छा आपको पता है ये राफेल कहाँ से आया है इंडिया में? It has come from France. हमारी कंट्री का प्राइड है at present because it is a fighter aircraft. उसकी स्पीड पता है कितनी है? बहुत ज्यादा है, 1389 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. बहुत ज्यादा स्पीड होती है वो. It is a prized possession of our country.
And second roll, stick.
Okay, ma'am is telling us after the cone is stuck, we will stick the small rectangular pieces which we've turned up, made into a cylinder, and now we're sticking it on the sides of the cone. Take the help of your parents here to make this aircraft.
And stick the wings.
And now we will stick the wings.
Small part of
just turn up the base of the wing and so that you get some level to stick it on the cone. And you put some gum on it. Okay, देखो ये अब कोन पे हमने एक विंग स्टिक कर दी है. And now we're going to stick the second wing.
Another wing stick here.
Okay, this is on the sides.
Stick like this.
Yes. Okay.
You can stick flags.
Yes. As it is the pride of our country. Okay, see, we we are sticking our India flag on the ruffles. You can see it's stuck on the wings and on the front also. ना अच्छा लगता है ना when our country is doing something very great. Yes. Proud moment for us. So अब हमने वो जो सर्कुलर पीस है उस पे जो बड़ा वाला रेक्टेंगुलर रोल्ड अप था सिलेंडर शेप में, उसके ऊपर जो पूरा एयरक्राफ्ट है वो स्टिक कर देना है. देखिए इस तरह से. यस.
Now is ready.
Now the aircraft is ready. Can you see? Yes. So अब आप सब भी जल्दी जल्दी से बनाइए और हमें पिक्चर सेंड करिए कि हमारा प्राइड ऑफ इंडिया फॉर द 74th इंडिपेंडेंस डे कैसा लगता है देखिए आप लोग का भी. So looking forward to see your craft work. Signing off today, Akriti ma'am. A big bye from everybody. Thank you so much for this beautiful craft. Thank you everybody. Bye. See you soon.